Hello everybody! Today I have a little unboxing video for you of a portable speaker. I got this for my rapping practice and for listening to beats when I write songs, and I wanted something that I can hear myself very clearly over, so I ended up finding this one. One of the criteria I also had when buying one of these speakers was that it has to have an SD card slot. You can see there the connections. We have an aux and we have a DC in, so that's USB-C. And then we have a micro SD or SDXC card slot, and it's a quite small unit. Here we have the buttons, and they are these very interesting type of feeling, these keys. You press them down like this, and some accessories. And let's see what comes in the box. Do we have some cables? Well, there's this aux cable, and that's a very cheap one, but that's fine. And then we have do not eat, and we also have a USB, like what is this? Like a regular USB to USB-C cable. Like, I don't get it, like why? Like why did you include this type of connect? Well, that's okay. Maybe it's better for charging. And that's the unit. I'm going to just tell you what I think about the sound. So, about that sound of this unit, it gets pretty loud and it has quite a bit of bass to it. And it sounds pretty clear and reproduces all the different sounds in the beats, at least very clearly. So, it's a good choice for rap practice because it's so portable. I don't yet know about the battery. How long does it last? They promised 10 hours, and I didn't figure out how to get it to work with the SD card. You probably have to name the files in a specific way. But I'll figure it out, and I use this actually with my Zoom recorder. I have the beats there, not a smartphone. I don't really care about the Bluetooth capabilities of this, but you might. Check it out. Edifier MP230.